Oh. Hey guys, today is day 2 of our adventure weekend. We stayed the night actually at the same campground. A lot of the other campgrounds were closed for the winter, but check it out. Still next to the river, same camp spot, and we're cooking up some breakfast right now. We got sausage going and water boiling for coffee. And bon appetit. So yesterday we were packing up in the rain. Today, still a little cool, but we'll get this thing packed up real quick. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of our epic off-road adventure through the North Georgia mountains. So we went and we ran the Trans-American Scar Connector route yesterday, going south to north, starting in Georgia, which covers also part of the Georgia Traverse. And then we came down and we are now headed east to west across the Georgia Traverse. Here's Ruby. We got her loaded up with all the gear. She got a little mud on her still from yesterday. We got her pack outs. Our heater's still in the box, hasn't been cold enough yet to hook that up. 37's Clayton lift. We are well outfitted. Got Onyx Off-Road. Just follow the blue line. That's what we did for the last couple of days. I'm not sponsored, but hey, if they want to support the channel, that would be absolutely awesome. Let me spin you around. And this is why you come to Georgia in the North Georgia mountains. Check that out. It's all these quiet roads, and if I'm quiet for a second, you can hear a little bit of a plane in the background, but you can also hear the creeks coming out of the mountains. So with that being said, if you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, join us on this ride, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's show. Oh, big hole. I didn't see the big hole. My bad. That is sketch. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Oh, this one's a little bit less refined as the other one. So we just took a hard ride onto 32C. So this is a little bit more technical section, looks like. The road's still there. And it's still there. Holy moly. We're gonna go easy. Well, that's only 5 degrees down when it's settled. Really need to go this way. Oh, a bit of rock. Look at that. It's going to be a little bit choppy here. Hold on. Turn this into a muddy mess here. Clayton Offroad lift kit with the Rancho shocks has performed phenomenally. We got the tent loaded up, we got both our extra large Milwaukee pack outs, tools, Harbor Freight jack. But I just want to tell you guys, thanks for watching. If you would, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you get the notifications, and keep coming back for more. Once again, 2023, all new adventures. Guys, I get to share my dream with you. The true purpose of this channel is to motivate, inspire, and help you guys get out there and start building your dreams. There are many more adventures here on Start Building Your Dreams as we head back to the Appalachians and continue this winter series of adventure.